This is my late 1800s Peter Wright blacksmith leg vise. It weighs 65 pounds, has 5-inch jaws, and it stands about 43 inches off the ground. In order to use this thing properly, I needed to fabricate together a stand that wasn't going to move anywhere. This is my first welding project ever, and a big thanks to Chris Zepp for letting me use the shop. Check out how I put this thing together. Since I put this thing in the shop, I added a welder into my lineup of tools. Doing so, I was able to fabricate these tool holders for the side. It's just some 1-inch square tubing that I cut up and welded along the edges. It's been an awesome addition where I can throw in some Hardy tools, I can throw in some pliers that I use for twisting, other tongs, and everything stays right where I need to have it. So once I got back from Chris's shop, I needed a way to secure this thing to the ground. So I took some concrete drop-in anchors and put 3/8 inch bolts through the bottom of this thing, and it does not move at all. It is super sturdy, super robust. I can hammer on this thing all day long, do twists, whatever I need to, and it is not going to move. I've been blacksmithing for only about 6 months now, and having a vise like this in the shop has taken my learning curve and shortened it so much. Before getting this thing, I was using a little bench machinist vise, and that thing felt like it was going to crack in half if I hammered onto it. Super happy to have this in the shop. Super happy to have an awesome stand for it. So thank you so much, Chris, for letting me use your space and teaching me a little bit how to weld. It's not the prettiest welds in the world, but it will hold up. So that wraps it up for this video here. I figured for this video I would show my face and introduce myself. I'm fairly new to this YouTube game, and it's been something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. Just sharing my projects, sharing the work that I do. I plan on making a bunch more videos to document my processes of woodworking, blacksmithing, giving tutorials, stuff like that. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch and check this stuff out. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. If you like this type of video, if you like seeing blacksmithing, woodworking, all types of making, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching again. Take care.